Hi, how are you doing today? This is Charles, California. Welcome back to my channel. And today, dun, 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 today we're going to have the February package from Menlo. So check this out. Hi, how are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to unbox or unpack the Menlo package for the month of February. So this is what we got for the month of February, and this is the Menlo one. It's a subscription package. Link below so that if you want a discount on that one on your first purchase, I have the link below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please follow me and subscribe on my YouTube channel. So you're waiting for? Subscribe now. Hit the notification bell so that you will be informed of the videos that I'm going to have for you guys. Thank you for that. Anyway, so we're gonna open this up. I haven't opened this, and then I'm so sorry because this is gonna be so late. But here you go. This is what we got for the month of February. So there you go. The tissue paper from Menlo. And then on this one, we're going to see. Just gonna rip it off, and I see green, so this is the one that we are having. I'm going to put down on the side. So for this one we got 3 things, so that's nice. So we do have a t-shirt from 5'4". There you go, there's the shirt from 5'4". It's a medium one, and it does have a pocket on the side. This one is 60% cotton and 40% polyester. So, and then if you're going to look at the texture of it, there's a specks of, I don't know if the camera will capture it, but there's a specks of blue. Can you see it? I hope you can see that. So that's one. The second one that we're going to have is the fashion tee that they have. It's kind of like a chino shirt. So it's just a white shirt from 5'4", and the size is medium. So there you go. The name of this one is Tahoe. And this one is the same thing, 60% cotton and 40% polyester. The only thing with this one now is kind of like, if you're going to feel the shirt, it's too light. Like, you can really see through it. See that? I don't know if you can capture that one, but I feel like it's really light, that the quality of it's not as great as I wanted to be. What happened, Menlo? What happened with the quality of this? Because I am afraid that if I'm gonna wash this one for 1 to 3 washes, it's gonna be gone. And the other one is the white one. There you go. It's just a simple ones. And then we do have a jacket, a bomber jacket type of thing. So this is nice. So this one is from 5'4". 5'4" is their brand, the company's brand. This is Amar. It's called Amar in black. And then of course the size is medium. So with this one we do have a zipper in front, the whole thing, and then it's green inside, olive green inside. The interior of it, there's no pockets inside, but there's this one in there that you can see. And then inside or outside we do have this really nice pocket right here. It's a Velcro packet, and then there's a pocket on the left side of it. There's a pocket on the right side of it, and then yeah. So this one I like. I really like this one because this is kind of like the blue jacket that I have had with them. But the shirts, it's okay shirts for me. This is okay. It's not like wow, it's a really good one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to model this with you guys, and yeah, so that's what I'm going to show you guys. But this one, I really like this because their jacket, it's really nice. And then this one is the only thing I don't I hope this should be addressed, okay? Because look at this one. There's always have this little threads all over it. Probably this one, see this? Probably they should really, I don't know if you can see that. I hope they should really look at this one because it's not, the quality is being compromised lately. And we do have this, it's all over the place, that if they're manufacturing this, they should really look at it and then really at least a little bit clean it up. You know what I mean? So I don't know. Lately, I'm kind of like contemplating of switching to some other subscription packages out there, because lately, in the past 3 months, the quality that 5.4 is bringing us, like lately, or Menlo House, is not that great. I have this one with them. This is a really nice jacket. I think I unboxed this one, but the problem on this one is that the zipper is not working anymore. When you sit on this, so that's the zipper. When you sit on this one breaks open. So that's the thing. Is that really worth it for the $65 that we are spending with all these clothes? So I'm gonna give them probably another 3 months. If the quality of it, it's not being it's being compromised again and again and again, I'm probably not going to do this anymore, and I'm probably switching, and I'm not going to subscribe anymore, because as a consumer, you're kind of like expecting something really nice and something really long lasting. But this one, it's kind of like, it's not gonna be a long lasting one anymore. This one is gonna be see-through. I don't know if the camera will capture that. So yeah, so unfortunately, it's not really a great quality lately. Don't get me wrong, I like the style and the black jacket that they have given me, but that's the thing. So let's see what's gonna happen in March and April and May for the next succeeding months, if they still going to have the quality, the low quality of their shirts, and then the low quality of their products. And then let's see if we're going to be able to continue this, because I don't know, it's kind of like, what happened, Menlo? What happened? Anyway, thank you very much for watching. This is Charles, California. I will see you again in the next video, and I will update you if I'm still going to subscribe with them, and if what's gonna happen in the next 3 months, because I'm kind of like, let's give them a chance more and more, and then let's see if that's gonna be changing. Let's see if that's gonna be, there's a new products, or the quality of it is better. But let's see for this succeeding months if that's gonna change. So we will check on that one for you, and then let's see what's gonna happen. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. I'm so sorry for a little rant that I'm giving you, but I'm just being real. I just want to give you an honest feedback of what I'm receiving from them, because as a consumer, we serve a good quality products from them. Anyway, this is Charles, California. I will see you again in the next video. Bye. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and for pouring all the loves and the comments and the likes. I will see you again, and I hope that by the end of March we will make it to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. At this point in time, we do have 800 subscribers. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I cannot really do this one with all you guys. I will see you again. Bye. So here's the look number 1. This is the shirt. As you can see, it's too thin. That's what I'm saying a while ago. Here's look number 2. It's all thin. And then the specks of blue, that one's really nice.